Every day begins the same.
Funny.
They all describe the same world.
I think someone was looking for this. A word leaves our mouth only once, but it can travel much further than we ever imagined. So then, he actually said,
Wait, no, it was more like.
funny how stories grow. So, do words change? Sometimes, but sometimes people hear the same words through different experiences. Sometimes, the kindest words are the ones we never need to say. That was easier than I expected.
Listening usually is.
Before you speak, ask yourself one question. Will these words help someone carry their day? That only took a few seconds. So can changing someone's whole day. A single sentence can stay with someone for years. So can a single kindness. I'm sorry. No harm done. That could have become an argument.
Or it could become understanding.
I like that ending better. Words can open a heart. They can also close one. The choice belongs to the person speaking. They remembered they were on the same side. I think I'm starting to understand.
What we give away has a habit of traveling.
Leave behind words that heal. Leave behind actions that prove them. People may forget our voices, but they rarely forget how we made them feel. The world changes. One choice. One moment at a time. Funny. We all came here for different reasons. And somehow, we ended up sharing the same moment. We remember the extraordinary, but we live through the ordinary. Yeah. I think I'm beginning to understand.
Good. Because the journey isn't finished yet.
Keep looking for the good. It's often closer than you think. Come on. Every ending is the beginning of another journey.